Welcome to Ukulele Hymns. To this week, I'm going to share with you the hymn, Lord, You Give the Great Commission. And these are the chords they're going to need. It's going to be the key of G. The chords you're going to need are G, E minor, C, A, D, F. Okay, let's play through the first verse slowly. So this hymn is in triple time, so we'll be using the simple strumming pattern of down, up, up. Lord, you give the great commission, heal the sick and preach the word, lest the church neglect its mission and the gospel go unheard. Help us witness to your purpose with renewed integrity, with the Spirit's give empower us for the work of ministry. Grab your song sheets from the link below and let's go through the hymn once through. Lord, you give the great commission, heal the sick and preach the word, lest the church neglect its mission and the gospel go unheard. Help us witness to your purpose with renewed integrity, with the Spirit's gifts empower us for the work of ministry. Lord, you call us to your service, in my name baptize and teach, that the world may trust your promise, life abundant meant for each. Give us all new fervor, draw us closer in community, with the Spirit's gifts empower us for the work of ministry. Lord, you make the common holy, this my body, this my blood. Let us all for us true glory daily live life heavenward, asking that the world around us share your children's liberty, with the Spirit's gifts empower us for the work of ministry. Lord, you show us love true measure, Father, what they do forgive, yet we hoard as private treasure all that you so freely gave. May your care and mercy lead us to a just society, restoring. May we serve as you intend, and amid the cares that claim us, hold in mind eternity. With the Spirit's gifts empower us for the work of ministry. So that was Lord, You Give the Great Commission. It's a beautiful hymn. In the last 2 chords or so, I added an extra chord on the 3rd beat, so that does require a little bit of practice because it is a quick jump. So this is what I'm talking about. But it does add a really nice ring to the hymn. Hope you enjoyed this hymn. See you next time.